Let's look at another example. We have 5 2/3 take away 1 4/6. So you're taking away 1 4/6 from 5 2/3. We already know that we have to find equivalent fractions. You find your LCD, which is equal to 6, and ask yourself, 2/3 is how many 6? 2/3 is 4/6, and 4/6 is 4/6. Keep your whole numbers. We're not working with them as yet. You work with your whole numbers at the end when you're done with your fraction. Now, there are a couple of ways that we can do this. You can still subtract and regroup, or you can go ahead and you can ask yourself, can we subtract? Can you take away 4 from 4? You definitely can. If you take away 4 from 4, you're left with 0. And look at this. Now you have 0, 6, but let's not look at that. Let's look at subtraction with regrouping. Create a chart. Plug in your numbers. We can definitely subtract. Take away 1 from the 5, you're left with 4, and bring that 1 over as a whole number. Your whole number, you can rewrite it as 6, 6, because now we're in fraction world. And you can add them together. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Keep your denominator. And now we can subtract. You can take away your 4 from 10. Take away 4 from 10. You have, you have 6. And your fraction is 6, 6. 6, 6, we said, is the same thing as 1 whole. Now, here's the thing. Even though you have 1 whole over here, you can bring that 1 whole in your whole number world. But let's subtract. Take away 1 from 4. You're left with 3. And the 1 that you bring over here, now you can bring it down. 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. So you see, you can subtract, you can regroup, and when you do that, you might end up with an improper fraction, and that's okay. That's fine. Because again, you want to make sure that your numerator on the left is greater than your numerator on the right so that you can subtract. If your numerator on the right is greater than your numerator on the left, you are going to have to subtract and regroup. Watch this video as many times as you please to make sure that you understand how to subtract and regroup. Yes, it might be so confusing, but you'll get it eventually. All right? See you in the next lesson.